Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best budget paddleboard that you can buy today. Paddleboarding is a great way to get out on the water and enjoy the outdoors, but it can come at a high price. If you're on a budget and want a good quality paddleboard, you've come to the right place. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing budget paddleboards. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best budget paddleboard, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. This is a fantastic SUP for beginners. The 3 rows of tie-down bungees at the top allow you to strap down any items you want to take with you on the water. It also comes with several necessary accessories included. It has excellent maneuverability because of the 3-panel fins at the bottom. The fins make steering and paddling much easier on rivers, lakes, and small waves. The board tracks straight for a budget board, although speed is lacking. For those trying stand-up paddleboarding for the first time, the deck features an anti-slip surface. It is also 32 inches wide to provide more stability and give you room to stand with your feet further apart for balance. The tapered nose in the front ensures stability but does plow the water, while the square tail allows greater steering control. It performed well on the water even with heavier people right at the maximum size capacity. The pros are: it's a great budget price. It has features made for beginners. It has a solid construction and universal build. It's easy to carry and store. And it has useful accessories. However, it's not designed for advanced users. It has a long inflation time. And it has a higher risk of damage. For beginner or intermediate paddlers looking for a solid board, the SereneLife Free Flow is a great choice. It is ultra lightweight and easy to maneuver on the water with the 3 removable panel fins on the bottom. In at number 4 is the iROCKER Nautical Inflatable Paddleboard. The Nautical dual-layer PVC construction combined with its 32-inch width makes it a more durable and more stable board for entry-level paddlers. We were impressed with the Nautical line's construction at an affordable price. They are built with dual-layer PVC, making them able to withstand common drops and dings over time. The 2+1 fin setup is also built to last, as iROCKER chose to incorporate snap-lock technology on all 3 fins instead of flexi fins, which would get bent out of shape quickly. While durable, these boards are still lightweight and easy to carry with you on any SUP adventure. As far as features go, the Nautical line is fully loaded. They have a total of 17 rings each to customize your board to accessories such as kayak seats or extra gear storage. There are also 2 6-point bungee cargo areas at the nose and tail of the board, giving you a plethora of options when it comes to strapping down anything you'd like to bring along for the ride. The pros are: it has a durable dual-layer construction at affordable price. It has a soft, deep-groove deck pad. It has a light paddle with durable blade. And it has a sturdy snap-lock 2+1 fin setup. However, the performance is that of an entry-level board. In short, if you're looking for a sturdy beginner SUP for a great value, the Nautical is a great option. They feel great on the water, are built durably, and are backed by a great company. The third product on our list is the GILI Air Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The GILI Air boards have the classic all-around rounded nose and are stable at 6-inch thick and 31 inches wide. GILI has been able to keep these boards ultralight with single-layer PVC construction. Though this does detract from the overall durability of the board, this is one of the easiest to carry boards on our list. Whether you prefer some extra durability over carrying ease just comes down to personal preference, though we've yet to have any issues with the GILI Air's construction. GILI utilizes snap-lock fins that will hold up longer over time than flexi fins, allowing for better tracking and maneuverability as you progress. They have a surplus of features to keep you comfortable on the water. Both have a total of 14 rings, including a 6-point bungee cargo area at the nose, a 4-point cargo area at the tail, and kayak seat attachments, along with 3 carry handles, 4 action mounts, and a paddle holder. We also enjoyed the soft, deeply grooved deck pad to provide traction, comfort, and a way for water to drain away from your feet. The diamond patterned deck pad at the tail was a great touch as well, since it helps with some extra grip during a step-back turn. The pros are, it is lightweight and easy to carry. It's versatile with loads of D-rings and kayak seat attachments. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and it makes donations to ocean preservation charities. However, it's a single-layer construction, which could lead to performance or durability issues. And we don't love aluminum paddles. Bottom line, if you're looking for a lightweight, quality, affordable board, the GILI Air is your way to go. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the THURSO Surf Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. This is one of the pricier boards on this list, and it's admittedly right on the cusp of not being considered a cheap board, but hear us out, because it is truly a great value. At 10 feet long, 30 inches wide, and 6 inches thick, this is a fast and nimble little SUP. The THURSO Surf is built with durable dual-layer construction and additional carbon rails with the goal of increasing rigidity and, consequently, the weight capacity. We like that THURSO opted for a 2+1 fully removable snap-lock fin setup, which we think contributes to the board's exceptional performance. THURSO Surf included a range of features on the 120 water walker, including a front and rear bungee cargo area, as well as 4 additional D-rings for more gear storage or a kayak seat. We love the addition of a paddle holder as well as the comfy AVA deck pad that keeps our feet comfortable and stable on the board. THURSO Surf includes some of the highest quality accessories out of the pack. Included is a double chamber, triple action pump, 3 snap-lock fins, a 10-foot coil leash, a roller SUP bag, and a carbon fiber paddle. As I've said, each of these accessories is high quality and contributes to the overall great value of this board, given the fact that it is on the pricier side for this list. The pros are, it's nimble and fast board, great for smaller paddlers. There is so much room for gear storage. It has carbon fiber rails and reinforced seams add to rigidity and durability. It has a high-quality, lightweight, carbon fiber paddle. It has a roller bag, and it comes with a 2-year warranty and financing options. However, it may be too small for larger paddlers, though there are larger options. The THURSO Surf Water Walker 120 is a fantastic value package for a small, but mighty, all-around SUP. This board is also covered by a 30-day guarantee and a 2-year warranty. The best budget paddle board is the Bluefin SUP Cruise Carbon 10.8. The Bluefin Cruise Carbon 10.8 has a high-quality construction, comprehensive list of included accessories for a budget-friendly price. The Cruise Carbon sits at a sweet spot between an all-around board and a touring board at 10 foot 8 inches long, 32 inches wide, and 6.3 inches thick. It has a great balance between stability and speed and gives you the option to bring along extra gear, a passenger, or a pet. While it is a heavier SUP, the Bluefin Cruise is also the best constructed. This board uses a triple layer of PVC to cover their drop stitch core, as well as a UV-resistant coating. Bluefin also utilized a dual-chamber inflation system and carbon fiber rails for added stiffness, which contributes to this board's higher weight capacity compared to even larger boards. We also liked that Bluefin chose to incorporate a snap-lock fin box for their fully removable 2+1 fin setup, allowing for added durability. We love the diamond grip deck pad and the raised kick pad that helps tremendously with step-back turns. This board also has a total of 10 D-rings, including a front bungee cargo area and kayak conversion attachments. Bluefin still managed to make this heavier board easy to carry by incorporating neoprene carry handles at the nose, tail, center, and side rails of the Cruise Carbon. The pros are, it has triple layers, dual chamber, carbon rail enhanced construction for added stiffness under weight. The kit is great value and includes more than enough to get you on the water. It has a high-quality backpack with multiple compartments to store all the accessories. The raised kick pad equals effortless foot placement for step-back turns, and it has a 5-year warranty. However, it's a heavy SUP. The Bluefin Cruise 10.8 leads the pack in construction, rigidity, and versatility. It's also backed with a 5-year warranty and a 60-day guarantee. This is a great all-around inflatable SUP that will withstand the test of time and use if you are willing to spend a bit more money. You definitely cannot go wrong with this board. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.